Hello, listeners. What a recovery we had last week following the debacle in stock markets after the election results. I think markets have now become increasingly confident that the coalition government would not drift away from the policy front, and its economic policy and fiscal prudence would continue as in the last two terms. The cabinet portfolio allocation yesterday was also in line with what we have seen in the last term as well. Almost all the key portfolios were headed by the same ministers, which gave a positive signal to markets, and the markets are trading currently higher. We expect these policy reforms to continue, and the next trigger, the important trigger for markets, would be the budget, which would be around the second week of July. Till then, I think markets would be in a consolidation or a tight range and would look for further triggers in the budget. On the event side, this week, we have the crucial US Federal Reserve meeting, wherein the policy outcome is expected tomorrow. Before the policy outcome, we would have the inflation report from the US as well. While nothing much is expected on the interest rate cut front, we would closely track the Fed chair's comments on whether there would be any hopes of a rate cut going ahead, especially with markets expecting a rate cut in September. The more hawkish tone in the policy meeting would be a red signal for markets. As far as the PSU stocks in India is concerned, we believe that markets now would look at them from a policy continuity front, and we would suggest that look for stocks which have good execution track record and a strong revenue visibility. Currently, we would advise investors to look into GE Shipping and Bharti Airtel from a one-year perspective. I think markets are not showing any signs of weakness and the positive bias continues. That's all from my side, listeners. Thank you.